Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Revolver cocktail. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Revolver cocktail. This cocktail was invented in 2004 by Jon Santer in San Francisco. He was faced with a dilemma. He had this brand new bourbon that just came out, Bulleit. Nobody had heard of it. He had a whole case of it there. People weren't going to order it by name, so he needed to make a drink. He decided to go with his love of the Beatles, also using the theme of Bulleit, even though it's spelled differently, as a bullet from a gun. He made a drink called the Revolver. We love this drink. It's super simple to make. We think you're going to like it too. Here's how to make it. To start out, we use 2 ounces of our bourbon. The original recipe called for Bulleit. You don't have to use Bulleit if you don't have it. We do have it. In fact, we have a single barrel we're going to use here. Should be fantastic for our drink. 2 ounces of that. Then we're going to use a ½ ounce of a Coffee Liqueur. Kahlua will work. This is a drink, since it's so simple, so few ingredients. The better the ingredients, the better it will be. Mr. Black is a far superior coffee liqueur. We love it on this channel. We need a sponsorship from them all the time we promote them. But ½ ounce of that. And then 2 dashes of our bitters. Remember, guys, always shake your bitters. They do settle. Two dashes of that. We're making this right in the glass. We're going to go ahead and give that a few stirs. We got a large rock in there as well. And then we're going to flame an orange peel. A fun little technique, super easy to do. Just get some of those aromas in there. Go ahead and drop that in there. And cheers. Revolver is both my favorite album by the Beatles, and this is sure to be one of your favorite drinks as well, guys. If you got a bottle of Bulleit laying around, even if you don't, you got the ingredients, go ahead and give this one a shot. Order at a bar maybe. This is a fantastic drink. I think you're going to love this too. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Just go the first fucking take. You want me to start completely fresh?
I mean, at this point, I don't know how I'm filming this.